wise, contemplation is raising caucus for its solution. Don't have pride, they'll take advantage or kill you or throw you in their institutions. And my head feels like a vortex when I take the medications, mini topsy-turvy and the fixation of my basement. Oh fuck, the walls be melting, yelling about the fucking swelling from the skating. I take too many plotters because I'm already gone. They're eating her and they're gonna eat me too. Oh my god, scared of cops, don't trust Fox. Hit me up when your gun cabinet needs to lock. Hit me up when you want your government stop. When you finally fucking realize that this place is corrupt. When you finally fucking realize that you shouldn't shoot up. When you finally stop coping and learn that that's what they want. Driving around with the help of dead dinosaurs, tearing up our skies and our water and our floors. Driving around in metal death. As a kid I wandered in the streets into drugs when I was bored. Never purified, baptized or justified. Talk to me while I'm still alive. Strive to exempt yourself from your own narcissistic lies, but still just try to have a good enough time. Only consensual, only open-minded, kind at heart, but still an asshole outside of it, and honest as I can possibly be. With the fault of being crazy, I'm still just me. I hate Nirvana and I hate Eminem. I hate Rayon, I hate my guardian Kim. I hate myself and I hate my health. I love you though, I try not to delve too deep. I think that I need sleep. And I will never stop questioning things. I know what I believe. Don't try to fuck with me. Don't be wise, contemplation is raising caucus for its solution. Don't have pride. They'll take advantage, kill you or throw you in their money-grubby institution. Don't be wise, don't have pride. Using the same chords that I use up most of the time. Missing people listening to music that I used to think was shit, hating it. I can't hold jobs, I can't find God, can't go anywhere because I don't own a car and be stinging my eyes, but I don't mind doing the same thing every day. I love knives, but I hate this life. All I saw was lies anyways, and the TV gave me pills to eat, but I won't eat those pills, cause they hurt my tummy. Procrastination is sin, but I won't begin to tell you all there is to tell you all about things and bad at living, bad at giving anything bad. And I don't mind be stinging my eyes, doing the same fucking thing every day. I love knives and I hate this life, but all I saw was lies anyways. And go to bed on time, life crimes, lie, die, nighttime, rolling dice and fights, fucking rights, man, bride of lights, migraines, I love pain, rain, veins, pump blood, but I pump pain, fate is late, but I can procreate anyways. Yeah, babies hate me anyways. Happy Days theme song repeating in my brain, and oh my god, these guys are great. And late, big crime, big move on, comrade to the station. All the cops are on paid vacation anyways. Stinging my eyes, doing the same thing every day. I love knives, but I hate this life, and all I saw was lies anyways. And I don't want to talk to Brent again. He's by 18 cans of Milwaukee's best brew. Cause I'd rather spend this homeless night talking shit, drinking beer, playing Grand Theft Auto with you. Sage the dog is the cure to my depression. Wish I thought of that before I left. but I can't spend my whole life in heaven. I have to work and cry, but try my best. And you're honestly one of my very few best friends. And I really hope I see you again. And Sage the dog, and Sage the gothic corgi. We're arguing about soda. Nice to meet you, my name is slowly dying. Not the name my mother gave me, just the name that she's still denying. Why can't I even eat without giving myself shit for it? Well, I am hating the ride, hating the destination, hating the self and the gross clothes I show up in, and the fuck, the word fuck, and the horse I rode in on. Stupid, blatant blonde, so when you call cops on my dogs, my guitar case is falling apart. Everything will fall apart from the start, like babies born without hearts. I'm pissed off again, trying not to project it onto my friends, trying to block out the skid, crying for his gin. I say, being the cop is a job, not a life. Blue lives are killers sometimes, blue lives cause crimes, and I'm going to destroy this shit. For its lies, its murder and black lines, for its justification of a genocide, for its poppy fields and its distribution to heroin that made all of our families die. And nice to meet you, my name is slowly dying. Not the name my mother gave me, just the name that she's still denying. Why can't I even eat without giving myself shit for it? I don't want to leave, believe me. Jumping off bridges is beneath me, literally. Sometimes life plays tricks on my mind. I'm coming to find that I am still alive. Oh, this is like a Pauly Shore movie. Not really, those are at least entertaining, barely. I wish I was entertaining sometimes. And I'm not a liar, I just withhold information, like the fact that I judge too much and too easy and everything bothers me. Existing hurts me, and some things I think the audience should know. So they should get some foreshadowing for events soon forming. Corny but gory, capitalizing on fear is my game. Republican Party is my name. I'll stay the same as people still aren't awake or aware of the drone bombing kids and the product in their hair. And the banks give money to your cartels to keep the poor weak, to keep the poor dying. But it's okay and it's alright. It's okay and it's alright. Banks give money to cartels to keep the poor weak, to keep the poor dying with heroin. But it's alright. I see my end in furniture and I hate it like I wasn't meant to be here, like a mistake someone saw, and I felt bad for so long that when I'm not feeling bad I don't feel like I'm feeling anything at all. My depression does not consume me, it empties me of hope, love, dignity, and trust, and beckoning and reckoning that I ended. Instead of working it out too many times as a cow, reasoning for why Sparkle Horse shot himself in the gut. And I wonder why Kurt Cobain, the king of heroin and pain, sang anything at all. And I wonder why Ian Curtis didn't hang that shit way before he got that breakup call. And I wonder why Kurt didn't show that he hurt way before he painted his wall. Well, Court's bored and scared of doors, don't believe in a God anymore. And I wonder why Kurt Cobain, the king of heroin and pain, sang anything at all. I wonder why Ian Curtis didn't hang himself way before he got that breakup call. Wonder why Kurt didn't show that he hurt way before he painted his wall and his goddamn brains. Cheaper's about to get the throat cut would appreciate some levity, but damned if my leprechaun style jig wasn't for not cop bleeding just for me. Their only destiny is to paint my walls with their blood. Point out my flaws, don't call if you don't want me to talk. Beer stains, dabbing in cocaine, jabbing at the brains with a see-through ice pick. Insane sick is what they call me. Spooky, draw me, throw me, kill me, where'd you put the body, silly? I appreciate the flicking time, right about time. Dying, my insides are alive, and they fucking hate me. Only the most fucked up cooks I'm dating, but they'll still try to rate me like a Looney Tune groupie. Another star system to explain things like I'm a movie or something fucking stupid. And probably, honestly, nobody can love this, 'cause honestly, subs honesty will get you low. I don't wanna be I'll lie, it will die and minds think alike, but minds also decompose over time. Swimming in the water, didn't know that it was a son, it was a daughter, when it occurred to me that the animals were swimming round in the water, in the oceans and our bodies, and another haven't found another ocean on the planet, given that our blood was just like the Atlantic. And that's how the world began, that's how the world will end. Spooky, draw me, throw me, kill me, where'd you put the body, silly? Jeffrey Dahmer was a star, but he did not get very far. Safety will hold my pen, smile up every day, keeps my zipper closed, keeps my excitement tamed. Lame days, lame, crazy, gay as shit. His head's on a cigarette break on standby, faking his way through his job today, faking the corners of his mouth connected to his face, for a smile for everyone, hoping that he'll die before they raise his pay, hoping that he'll get out of his shitty town one day. The venom in my neck and your head is in a hole. My honesty gets me low. Pentagrams line my eyes. I see hatred, really hate the word despise. Coffin dancer hates his life, but I hate something else. And you hate yourself. Oh, news, you tied yourself too tight. Fucking stupid fishing line, when everything eventually decays in time. Lyrical eyes and improvising, empathizing and hypnotizing all the people in the land. Don't you settle for me. Red Bull cans scattered all across my room in threes. But you hate something else. Oh, you hate yourself, you hate yourself, you hate yourself, you hate. You hate yourself, you hate yourself, you hate yourself, you hate. You hate yourself, you hate yourself, you hate yourself, you hate. Oh, news, tied myself too tight. Go to bars and get called a fag, and ride with Isaac in the stick shift station wagon. Tried to beat up my dad, but instead played in an Oregon core punk rock band in California. Question sleep meant a lot to me, so did playing acoustic bass with Haley acid runs and PBR. Portland, Chris, and Warren saving me from Isaac's car. Grass Valley, punk motherfuckers. Portland and D made food for me, wouldn't have it any other. Oh Jade, your friends are problematic, but still you are great. And I love you anyways. You could turn into an addict, but you're still great. And I will love you anyways. I love you, be careful, be thankful for people, and one day I'll meet you. And I love you, be careful, be thankful for people, and one day I'll meet you if your city doesn't eat you. I love you, be careful, be thankful for people, and one day I'll meet you if your city doesn't eat you. Dynamic and choppy in some places scold me. I'm a politician, so you should kill me. McDonald's with their generic shit and despise their eyes, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and gotta find a reason to keep on sitting down. Gotta find a reason to kill, and gotta find a reason to get out of this goddamn town. When I hate my life, one day you'll disappear forever. But don't be a cunt when a majority of people want to see your blood. You shall look out to the sea, say David Bowie, sing for me. Pull yourself out of the ground in your comfortable English town. You're not dead yet, you're not dead, you're just sleeping in your bed. Lovely lyrics in your head, you Ziggy Stardust, da-da-dee, won't you please come sing for me? And you sang, don't believe in yourself, don't deceive with belief. Knowledge comes with death's release. Don't believe in yourself, don't deceive with belief. Knowledge comes with death's release. Oh, 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 oh. David Bowie, sing for me. Lazarus has no meaning, and David Bowie, sing for me. Nobody deserved that star man, nobody deserved his pleasantry. Don't believe in yourself, don't deceive with belief. Knowledge comes with death's release. Oh, 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 oh. This one's weird. This is an AJJ cover. My brain is a human body. My brain is a human body, and you will not get out. You will not get out. My blood is worse than your blood. This heart pumps baby piss, so you will not get out. You will not get out. I thought I saw you before I knew you. I thought I saw you before I knew you. I thought I saw you before I knew who you were. My body is a Pizza Hut, big ball, blood, teeth, and hair. I give, dislike, I take. I eat what's on my plate. My body is the bullet that's floating in my old ex-boyfriend's stomach, but I won't evaporate. That bullet's better for my brain. I thought I saw you at the Quiznos. I thought I saw you at the Burnside Skate Park in Portland. I thought I saw you before I knew who you were. Oh. The custom concern for the people to build up the monuments and steeples to wear out their eyes. I get up just about noon. My head sends a message for me to reach my shoes and then walk. Gotta go to work, gotta go to work, gotta have a job. Goes through the parking lot fields, doesn't see no signs that they will yield, and then not. This will never end, this will never end, this will never end, and this will never stop. Gotta go to work, gotta go to work, gotta have a job.